like most people, we tend to wear our favorite pieces of clothing over and over. And recently I am finding that my regular laundry detergent is just not taking away all of those odors. So I came across this OdorKlenz laundry additive, and it is something that you just pair with your regular detergent, and it is supposed to eliminate all of those lingering smells. So let's go try it out. So the directions say to start filling up your tub, and then now we are going to stop it, and we are going to add our regular laundry detergent and a scoop of the additive, and then we are going to add in our clothing. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and open this up, check it out inside. And the great thing is that it comes with the scooper for you, so it makes it nice and easy. So we're just gonna add that in there, and then we are just gonna pop our clothing in and hope for the best. So I have washed and now dried everything. I'm opening the dryer right now, and I'm going to do a smell test because many of our shirts still had that musty smell to them. So we're gonna, I can't believe that. There is no more musty smell on any of these. Wow. This stuff is amazing.